Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you the information that you need to choose the correct eye exercises for you. If you do the incorrect exercises, they can worsen your eyesight. A lot of people sometimes do some kind of exercises from the internet and their eyesight only got worse. For example, a person with myopia already had an eye muscle spasm and he didn't give rest to his eyes, and he did top 10 exercises to improve eyesight and strained them much more with 10 exercises in one workout, causing even more spasm. Should be a maximum of 3 special exercises with a maximum of 1 or 2 repetition and relaxation before and after exercises. That is why the 3 best exercises for myopia are on my channel. If you go online, usually you can find some kind of eye gymnastic. That is, if you even look at what is written there about this, in that kind of eye gymnastics, you will see that this exercise is needed because it's an excellent prevention of eye diseases. Those exercises, for the most part, that you can find on the internet, do not cure anything. They're only for prevention, and this means that you already have a good eyesight. People usually look only when their vision has already deteriorated, so no one will do any kind of prevention, and the exercises that are there for prevention are not suitable for you. The exercises that I have on my channel are suitable for you. These are the 3 best exercises for myopia or the 3 best exercises for hyperopia. If you get the habit of giving your eyes a rest and relaxation, plus get the habit of doing a little gentle stretching of the eye muscles, plus start looking more often at the distant objects, you will gradually improve your vision. Of course, not all people can move their eyes in different ways, but in all cases it's necessary to do this in a relaxed manner. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.